Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. This is Python W3 School series. In previous video, we already seen string concatenation in Python. So today we will see few more concepts. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Open new tab and type W3 Schools and click on tutorials. Now at the bottom, learn Python. Click on this. In W3 schools, we can learn CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, PHP, Bootstrap. Now we are learning Python. In previous videos, we already seen introduction, syntax, comments, variables, data types, numbers, casting, and now we are seeing strings concept. So in strings, we have slicing strings, modify strings, concatenate strings. In previous video, we already seen all these topics. Now in this video, we will see format strings. So click on that. Now in Python, now we are going to see format strings, string format. As we learned in the Python variables chapter, we cannot combine strings and numbers like this. For example, if age is a variable and we assign 36 number to it and txt is a variable and we assign a string, my name is John, I am plus age. If we print text txt, what will be the output? If anyone knows, please comment down below. We will see this later practically. Now today in this video we will see all these concepts. So, but we can combine strings and numbers by using the format method. So here format is a method. Takes the past arguments, formats them and places them in the string where the placeholders are. So in this example, use the format method like this to insert numbers into strings. Here, my name is John and I am. This is a string. So here we are inserting a number. So by using format method, we can insert numbers into strings. So here in this example, age equal to 36. Age is a variable and we are assigning a value 36 is a number and txt is a variable and we are assigning a string. My name is John and I am. Here we are using placeholders. Now if we print txt.format of age, now what will be the output? If you know, please comment down below. We will see this example practically later. And format method takes unlimited number of arguments and are placed into the respective placeholders. So, in this example, here quantity equal to 3 is a number and item number 567 and price equal to 49.95 and my order equal to I want, this is the placeholder, pieces of item placeholder for again placeholder dollars. Now if we print my order dot format and we are passing here arguments. Quantity is a variable, item number is a variable, price is a variable. We are passing these arguments into these placeholders by using format method. This is the concept behind it. If you guess what is the output, please comment down below. Now we will see one more example. You can use index numbers. This is the placeholder with 0 value to be sure the arguments are placed in the correct placeholders. So here quantity equal to 3, item number equal to 567 and price equal to 49.95. My order equal to I want to pay 2, here this is a placeholder at the place $2 for This is a 0 placeholder. Pieces of item. This is the 1 placeholder. And print. We are printing my order dot format and we are passing the arguments by quantity, item number, price. So what will be the output? Please comment down below. Now we will see all these examples practically. First we will see this example. Click on try it yourself. Here age equal to 36, txt equal to my name is John, I am plus age, and we are printing txt. Now what will be the output? Here you can see we cannot concatenate a number and string directly. So we are getting this error. Here type error we will get must be string, not int. So this is the output. Now we will see second example. Here by using format method we can concatenate a string and a number. So click on try it yourself. Now here age equal to 36 and txt my name is John and I am, this is the placeholder and we are printing txt dot format of age. Now we are getting my name is John and we are passing the value 36, so I am 36. In this way we can concatenate, we can add numbers into the string. Now we will see this example, so click on try it yourself. Here we are passing more variables, so quantity 3, item number, price. So here we are printing my order by using format method, by passing arguments like this. Here I want 3 pieces, so quantity equal to 3, right? 3 pieces of item 567 for $49.95. In this way we can get the output. And we will see third example. Click on try it yourself. Here we are passing the quantity equal to 3, item number equal to 567, price equal to 49.95, and we are printing my order. Here 2 is the placeholder, 0 is the placeholder and 1 is the placeholder, and we are passing arguments quantity, item number, price. So output will be I want to pay $49.95 for 3 pieces of item 567. So we can differentiate by using numbers. So for example, quantity is at the place 0 and item number at the place 1, price at the place 2, like this. So here we are passing 2 as a placeholder. Then we are getting I want to pay 49.95 per dollars. At the 0 placeholder we have quantity. So here 3 will be printed and pieces of item. We are giving 1 placeholder. So we are passing item number equal to 567. In this way we can pass the arguments by giving numbers to the placeholder also. I hope all these concepts are very clear to everyone. If you have any questions, please comment down below. In the next video, we will see escape characters in Python. In this video, we seen format strings. By using format method, we can pass numbers to strings. In this way, we can format strings. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. We will see in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep coding.